Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Teguh Priambodo. I'm a student of Junior High School 5 Tuban in the class 8. Today, I'd like to make a presentation about the internet. Before I start my presentation, I have two questions for all of you. The first, which is faster to find any information, using books or the internet? And the second, if you need information about a country, do you go to a library or use the internet? Okay, friends, from your answer, we can say that the internet is very useful in our life. The internet is an international network of computers. It carries many applications and services, most prominently the World Wide Web, including social media, mobile application, multiplayer online games, internet, telephony, and streaming media services. The history of the internet started in the 1960 with the development of computers. Now people use the internet for a lot of things, mainly for information, education, communication, and business. Now I'd like to discuss about the advantages of internet. There are a lot of advantages of the internet. For example, we can use the internet as means of communication. For example, make a video call and send an email. Secondly, we can use the internet as means of entertainment. For example, play games and listen to music. Thirdly, we can use the internet as means of education. For example, have an online class and join a webinar. At last, we can use the internet to access social networking. For example, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Twitter. Finally, I'd like to discuss about the disadvantages of the internet. There are a lot of disadvantages of the internet. For example, cybercrime. For example, fraud, theft of personal information, and spamming. Secondly, internet causes addiction. For example, play games, watch YouTube, and Instagram. At last, social disconnect and waste of money and time. Alright, before I end my presentation, I'd like to make a conclusion. I'm sure that the internet can be separated from the modern lifestyle. For information, education, entertainment, and business. But we must be careful from the disadvantages. Okay, thank you for your attention and goodbye.